How to turn on data saver in Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Tap on Settings. Now, we're in this Settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and find different options. So slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called Data and Storage. Simply tap on it. Here there's a button called Data Saver. So in order to turn it on, simply tap on it and it's all set to go. So our data saver has been enabled and there will be a lot of savings of your data. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.